Hello everyone, my name is Shauna and I'm going to show you how to use the speech recognition feature in CoWriter. First, you will need to click on the microphone icon in the bottom right-hand corner of our word prediction list. It will bring us to the speech to text feature, and you will see this white button with a purple microphone. You will need to click on this button, speak into the computer, and click on the button again when you are done. Let me show you how it works. My friends and I are going to play basketball later, period. We are so excited! Exclamation point. Notice how the button turned purple when I was speaking. I had to click it again after I was done speaking, otherwise CoWriter would pick up on words that I was speaking to others that might not pertain to the topic I am writing about. Also notice that CoWriter capitalized my words after the punctuation I included. So awesome!